Morning, students. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. We are fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. So let's start with today's topic.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. So can you see
Yes,
my
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So if there is any slightly my voice is not hearing or anything, you can just tell me. There are electricity issue. So maybe my voice slightly like there will be some issues. So you can tell me if you can't hear me. Okay. So let's start with today's topic. So today I'm going to teach you angles and pairs of angles, fourth chapter of your textbook. Okay, so you know angles, right? You have studied angles. You know types of angles. Uh, Mainly you have studied right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, right? So I'm going to ask you basic question about angles, which uh, that basic question are useful in studying today's topic. Okay, so you have to answer. That's the easy questions. So see, this is the angle. Now you have to answer. Okay, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a breakfast, right? So I want energy. Okay, do you hear me? All of you? See,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Only Tanuja is here, I think so. Okay, fine. So all of you can answer. The
Yes,
first
ma'am.
question is, what is name of angle? It's easy one. I'm asking you easy question
Angle
regarding
ABC.
angle ABC, right?
Acute
Next one,
angle. Yeah.
what is name of its vertex? What's the vertex?
Angle B.
Not angle B, it's point B. We can't say
Okay,
angle.
point B.
It's point B. And what is the
Okay.
name? Sorry, it's again coming. The question was, what was the name of arms? By mistakenly, it's vertex only. So, what are the name of arms? Arms means
A,
this side.
BA
This.
Arm
and BC.
and
Yes,
BC.
arms means this AB and BA and PC. Okay. Now, 1 second. And write the name of points on arms. Which points are on arms? Tell me which points are on the arms of this angle ABC.
A and C, ma'am.
Yeah,
A
B
and C.
also. B also we say B also. It's vertex, but it's on included in the arms only. Okay. So from this you know what is angle, what is arms of angle, and what are the points which are on the arms of angle. Now in this chapter we are mainly going to study about the more about the angles. Okay, so the first topic will be interior and exterior points of angle. So can anyone tell me what do you mean by interior and exterior? Simple meaning, it's a simple terms, interior and exterior. What do you mean by them?
Means inside,
Yes.
exterior means outside.
Yes, interior means inside, exterior means outside. Means when you are in the house, you can say I am inside the house. Or when you are going out, so you say or when you are outside, so I'm outside the house. That is, I am exterior part of the house and I am interior part of the house. Okay. So in case of angles, there there are some points also which are on the interior of the angle and exterior of the angle. So consider this figure. So the points which are in the interior means these arms. In this angle PQR, the arms are QP and QR, right? The points which are inside this arms of the angle are called as interior points. And the points which are outside the arms of an angle are exterior points. So here the points which are inside the angle, arms of an angle, the arms are QP and QR. Okay, so inside this arms of an angle, the points are there. Some points are there. That points are called interior points. So points are A, D, and F. So here the interior points are A, F, and D. These points are inside the arms of angle, right? Understood the interior points?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are interior points?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are they located? Tell me. Where are the interior points?
Inside the arms, ma'am. Internal part of the arm.
Right, inside part of the arms of an angle. And the exterior points are outside part of the arms of an angle. So here the exterior points are B and point C. So it's an easy concept. Interior means inside, exterior means outside. So points A, F, and D are interior points, and points B and C are exterior points, which are outside the arms of angle. Have you understood this topic, interior and exterior point?
Yes, ma'am.
Today's topic is really short and simple. You have to understand this topic, so you can solve the sums based on this, or you can solve many more advanced topics based on these points. Okay, uh, you can get many more topics based on this interior and exterior of an angle, or any other interior and exterior points of any other portion. So mainly you should thorough with the definition of interior and exterior. Okay, so we will move on to the next topic, which is adjacent angles. Okay, so what do you mean by adjacent? Have you heard a term adjacent?
Beside,
Yes,
maybe.
yeah. Neighboring, you when you live in a building or in a church, okay, so your neighbor's wall is connected to your wall, right? There is one wall which is connected to your neighbor also, or you and your house also. Your houses are different, but there is a similar wall. You share a space wall with them, right? So similarly, in case of we have our brothers and sister, the similar factor between our brother and sister is what? Our parents. We have a same parents, right? But your personality and your brothers or sister personalities are different, right? But your parents are same and your personalities are different. Means what? What do you mean by that? There is some common factor between them, but the personality, their uh, people, what you can say, people see them like different personalities. They have different personality, and but they have same parents, uh, but we share something with our brothers and sisters, right? There are something which we share with them, something which there is something common which we share with them. There are we are not completely different from them. We share something similar to them, right? So sharing means adjacent, right? Where we share something with someone, that means adjacent. Okay, so here adjacent angle means two angles which have a common vertex, common arm, and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angle. Just like in case of our neighbors also, we share a common wall between our neighbors, right? We have common wall between us and our neighbor. Similarly, in adjacent angle also, there is a common arm between the two angles and their interior is different. Okay, similar, how our brothers and sister also, our personalities are different, but our parents are same. Okay, same in this adjacent angle case also, there is a common arm, but there is a separate interior. So I will show you the diagram. See, in this angle the vertex is same, the side, this is the common side between this angle, but this angles interior are different. So let us consider this angle as A. I will show you, wait a second. Okay. So let us consider it as A, and let us consider it as B. So this angle A and B have a common vertex, right, and a common side, but see their interiors are different. In fact, their measures are also gonna be a different, right? It is slightly bigger than this one, right? So adjacent angle means what? Which have common side, common vertex, but the interiors are different. Have you understood this? Adjacent angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Adjacent means neighboring. See, these are also neighboring. There is a, if you consider it as a house, so this is your house, this is your neighbor's house, and this is the wall between your house. And you have a different areas where you live. Okay. You don't go to neighbor's house in this common wall, right? There are something separate. This wall, what this common wall do? This common side or this common wall separate two portions, right? Separate the interiors of your house and your neighbor's house, right? So this is what is all about adjacent angles. Have you understood all the topics, interior points, exterior points, and adjacent angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will solve some questions regarding this. Okay. So see this figure, angle PQR. You have to write points in the interior and points in the exterior. Now tell me points in the interior of this angle PQR.
Point A,
Point A
Point X,
and
B.
1B.
okay, very good. So interior points are point A, B, and X. The next points in the exterior, what will be?
Point M,
Point
N,
Point D,
D.
point S,
point S, point T.
Point
point N.
Very good. These are the points in the exterior. Okay. So you understood the topic. Now we will solve the question on adjacent angle. Now you have to write the 4 pairs of adjacent angles from this. See, you have to just see about the common arm. The vertex is similar to all of them. Just you have to see a common arm and which have a different interiors. So that is the adjacent angle. So tell me the pairs of adjacent angle. First pair will be
Angle DOA
DO
and angle AOE.
AOE. Very okay. I have written here. Okay, you can see. You can say. I will check. Next one.
angle COB and angle BOD.
COB and angle DOB.
BOD.
Very good. Okay, next one.
Angle EOC
EOC,
and angle AOE.
AOE. Very good. Okay, so we will check. See AOE, EOC. This is one is right. Okay, the one is COB and EOC is also right. COB and BOD is also right. And one is remaining, right? Which one is remaining? Can anyone tell? Okay, Tanuja.
AOD.
Yeah, I think Tanuja told that first thing, right? AOD and angle BOD. Okay, so you all know these adjacent angles now and interior and exterior points. Any doubt till this?
No, ma'am.
So
Oh,
this
ma'am.
is the short topic which I have taken for you to understand what are the exterior and interior and adjacent angles, because in this chapter the next topics are based on the calculation or based on the more advanced topics. So you should thorough with this adjacent and interior and exterior points or interior exterior part of the angle. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. So you have a homework, so you have to write the pairs of adjacent angles from this two figures. Okay, please draw this diagram in your book.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, so I will see you in next lecture. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.